5 weight loss strategies that have been proven to work. 1. Drink plenty of water, particularly before meals. It's a common belief that drinking water may help you lose weight, and it's accurate. Drinking water can increase your metabolism by 24 to 30% for 1 to 1.5 hours, allowing you to burn a few extra calories. According to one research, drinking a half liter of water approximately half an hour before meals helped dieters consume less calories and lose 44% more weight than those who did not. 2. Start your day with eggs for breakfast. Eating whole eggs has a variety of health advantages, including weight loss. According to studies, substituting eggs for a grain-based breakfast will help you eat less calories over the following 36 hours and lose more weight and body fat. It's alright if you don't eat eggs. For breakfast, any high-quality protein source should suffice. 3. Supplement with glucomannan. Glucomannan, a fiber, has been associated to weight loss in multiple studies. This fiber absorbs water and lingers in your stomach for a long time, making you feel full and allowing you to consume less calories. People who use glucomannan supplements lose a little more weight than those who don't. 4. Use plates that are smaller. Some people have been proven to eat less calories just by using smaller dishes. The plate size impact, on the other hand, does not appear to influence everyone. Overweight people appear to be more impacted. 5. Consume green tea. Green tea, like coffee, has several advantages, one of which is weight loss. Though green tea has little caffeine, it is high in potent antioxidants known as catechins, which are thought to function in tandem with caffeine to boost fat burning. Despite conflicting data, numerous studies demonstrate that drinking green tea, or taking a green tea extract supplement, will help you lose weight.